them as well at the top 10. Okay, so I'd like to request our vice chair to be here sa ating harapan para ma-interview din natin ating first set of our winners for our top 10. Okay? So our first candidate who will be joining us for our top 10 is our most voted or most number of votes sa ating voting session, which was held for our pageant Vote Philippines. He received a total of 3,584 votes. So our first candidate for our top 10. Okay. Congratulations to our first candidate for top 10. You are automatically part of the top 10. Congratulations, candidate number 15. Congratulations, Raymar. You are part of the top 10. You received the most number of votes for our pageant voting, which was held throughout the preliminaries. What can you say to all your supporters who voted for you for our pageant vote?
I want to say thank you, and I am grateful that you supported me throughout this journey that I embarked on life.
So are you excited to compete your top 10?
Well, it's nowhere near perfect.
Okay, again, ladies and gentlemen, our first candidate for the top 10, we have candidate number 15, Raymar. So you can get backstage to get ready for our next set. Ito na! Kabalat ko! Sa ating top 10, our second candidate for our top 10 Pilipinos sa is none other than candidate number 3! To be part of the top 10. We have lots of supporters over there. What can you say to them, especially during the Black Coordination Day?
Thank you very much for always supporting me and always believing in myself. Thank you.
So I'll give you time to get ready for our next exposure. Okay, so we have two candidates for our top 10. Now let's move on to our next candidate who will be joining us for our top 10. We have none other than candidate number 10. Okay, wala na kasi kasama na rin sa top 10 candidate number 14, Gabriel Zapata. Congratulations, you're part of the top 10. Your supporters are over here. Candidate number 13, give a big shout. Candidate for candidate number 13. What did you see to all of your supporters over there at the plan?
I can say that thank you so much for being here today, and especially my parents because it is the first time to watch me compete. That is why I am proud to be here today.
This is your parents' home. Oh, yeah, ayun. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, candidate number 13, Gabriel Zapata. Okay, our fourth candidate joining us for the top 10, we have candidate number 9. We have candidate number 5, Paul Yunus-Kapalari. Hi, Paul. Congratulations for being part of the top 10. Nasa mga supporters ni candidate number 5! Number 5. It does mean number 5. What can you say to all your supporters over there supporting in this competition?
Thank you so much for supporting me since day one. Thank you so much.
So I'll give you time to get ready for our next exposure. Again, candidate number 5, Paul Yunus-Kapalari. Okay. So next up, our fifth candidate joining us for our top 10. Parang napagod na ito. Huwag kayong wala ng pag-asa kasi kalahati para first half para kayo ng top 10 natin. Kasama ka na sa top 10, we have candidate number! We have candidate number 12! Congratulations. We have lots of noisy supporters over here. Wanting to see to all your supporters that you're part of the top 10.
Well, first of all, thank you so much for giving time and watching and supporting me today. Just sit back and relax. The show's still not over.
Wow! Bumangin yung pag-cheer guys. Again, candidate number 12, Black Jim Tuzon. Okay? Now let's have our 6th candidate to join us sa ating top 10. Our next candidate for the top 10, we have candidate number 8, Kenneth Diego. Congratulations, Ken. You're part of the top 10. Kinakahan ka ba na hindi ko kasama sa top 10?
Yes, of course, I'm very much nervous because knowing that these candidates are capable enough to snag one of the spots on the top 10. So I'm just grateful enough to be part of the top 10, and I'm sure that I can give you a show that you could remember.
Hindi mo sabi si Mami. Oo, very good. Wala. Sa inyo mga supporters ni Ken Diego! Ayan, never dared na dito sila. Pag hindi si all your supporters.
And actually, I'm one of the candidates that is the least supporters right now, but it doesn't matter because I have here the family that's supporting me since day one. And they've traveled far, so I'm just grateful enough that they're here to support me emotionally and mentally.
Nandito si Mami. Hindi kayo makakahat ng mga magaganda ng puging. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Candidate number 8, Ken Diego. Okay? Next up for our top 10. Kasama ka rin sa top 10. Our 7th candidate. If you have a spot in the competition, we have candidate number. Candidate number 11. Yes, that is one. Right here, candidate number 11. I'm very excited for the next part of the competition for Gilong Sangyao. Where are the supporters for candidate number 11? Kailangan i-motivate sila para maging pamami.
Hi guys, don't forget doing yourself more for me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here.
Wow, papatuloy ka pa kayo mga kanya. Thank you so much. Again, candidate number 11, Bien. Alice Iguan. So this is 7 candidates in the back. We still have 3 more spots for them. You're also part of the top 10. Candidate number. Candidate number 9! Please recognize for their support for you throughout the competition.
Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm really proud.
Okay, dapat nakasan nyo mga guys. Hampo ng hili. Thank you so much. And candidate number 9, Bryce Malibana. We're trying to get some rest and get ready for the next set of our competition. But you are also part of the top 10. 2 more spots left, and that spot goes to candidate number. Candidate number 10, Marvin Paquiawan. Congratulations. Marvin, this is part of the top 10 for 10, di ba? You're also the best in basketball costume. Congratulations. Send them all supporters in candidate number 10! Ayusin mo ba? Oo, yan. Ayusin mo. What can you say to all your supporters of the Left Hand Side Working?
Hi, classmates. Maraming salamat kay Ani ko na sa pagkakas. Enjoy na lang.
Wow! Ingay kay candidate number 10! Again, thank you so much. Congratulations, candidate number 10, Marvin Paglihawan. Okay? We're now for our last candidate. We still have 5 more left at the back. But don't worry, you're not part of the competition. You're all considered winners already. Okay? Give our 5 boys at the back a big round of applause. Ayan. Pero hindi ko makapagpakita ngayong hapon. Kasi kasama ko pa rin sa top 10. We have candidate number! Sino sa tingin na? Dapat ano sa inyo sila? We have candidate number! Candidate number 14! Julio Ramirez! I know you're not the last one for Eagles and Eagles 2024. Were you worried a little bit that you were part of the top 10?
Honestly, I was very nervous and I was sweating really bad.
Oh, okay, like that. So, what did you see to all your supporters who supported you? And this is not good.
To anyone who's supporting me right now, I'm very thankful that you guys got my back. Again, as I said, we are going to be defying all odds.
Thank you so much again. Candidate number 14, Julio Ramirez. Maraming salamat. We would also like to thank our other candidates, candidates number 2, 4, 6, and 7. Congratulations. Again, let's give a big round of applause to our all-Santiago 2024 candidates. It is a splendid job sa ating competition this afternoon. Going to Warriors, maraming mga exposures today. Again, our top 10 is candidate number 15, Richard Allen Arogo. Candidate number 3,